out the fire starter and the gasoline. Put some logs in there first. Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
The whole box is full of kindling. There's just little pieces in there. So kindling. Gonna run out of paper here before we get a fire going.
I got times at home. Ta-da!
That's the saddest looking
That's
fire I've ever
that's
seen.
a rip. You could roast a moose on there.
That is sad.
It's open.
Yeah, you did good. You got a fire going. You saved her life again. Yeah, I'm gonna try walking. If it gets to be bad, I'm gonna grab my snowshoes with me, but take them with us.
Nobody's been down that trail in a while?
Yeah, well, I think the deer probably got it found. Oh, tell me you got
Hey, wait a minute! My ride's gone!
What the hell?
Can we find a place that's a little sparser growing? Of course, you gotta find the bushiest deadfall. Look, here's a widowmaker right here, just waiting to kill me. Hey, Phil, cut this tree down. I'll stand over here and watch. Sure, brother.
Alright, well, when Philip's standing in this area, I want to start cutting out. Just to his left a bit, but we're going to have to get rid of this tree here,
Which tree?
one above your head.
Oh, no, this is perfect. Put the bench right underneath it. I know how to use earmuffs.
Yeah, it's the Mickey Mouse Club.
How come I can still hear the jigsaw?
Well, there's nothing much you can help. I don't want you standing behind me when I run.
Yeah, I know that. Give you a clear spot to run.
Keep watching this above me.
Okay, I'll watch the tree above you. Yeah, I know. Went and got wood with him one day, and what's he doing? He's collecting birch in the bottom of the eskers. It's like a 30-40 foot 70-degree incline, and we're hauling up these great big ass logs of birch, eh? Never be able to do it. Balance the tree on top of another tree like this. Yeah. You'll never be able to do it. Get in there.
up when you're cutting these willows. They get jammed up on the bottom. Ain't gonna get all done today.
Put out our fire dog.
See? Okay, leave the stick alone.
Lucy,
Lucy, give me that stick back.
It's for the fire. Get it, Lucy.
I want that stick though.
Let's hope she doesn't try and do that while the fire's going.
I'm sure she won't.
Okay.
We're old hacks at this. Okay, you guys just keep an eye. I don't know what this tree's gonna do, okay?
I don't know which way it's gonna blow. There it goes.
We're going old school, Yvonne.
Got an axe.
It's wrong. It's just wrong on so many levels.
Well, he won't listen to me.
No, see, but I gotta go down and help him now.
Yeah. You can
Because
just.
I can't let him do it all himself. Or I'll never hear the end of it. M-O-U-S-E, Mickey Mouse. You're gonna get tons of subscribers now.
Oh,
that
of
I'm
course.
back.
Oh, yes.
Should have brought my first aid kit.
Could I possibly hurt myself with an axe?
Yeah, I don't know. A little bit more on either side.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure the bench will fit right here. And then take this one together. 8 cords. And it was all cut with this. You imagine?
Lucy, Lucy, up here, come on, come on.
Good teamwork, buddy.